Yep.
Yep, yeah, that's champ.
Oh.
Oh, yep, champ's on mute. Yep, yep.
No.
Champ.
No. Why am I so loud?
Nah, for real.
Oh my
bro.
god. I just noticed how loud I am on stream.
Oh, yep, champ's on mute. Yep. Champ.
Oh my god.
Yo. Alright, bro.
Hell yeah. I'm actually hearing this on the stream. Oh my god.
What am I hearing?
Yo,
Why am I hearing the
Michael.
Why am I hearing the N-word? Why? My.
Who the fuck was that?
Yo! Y'all got it. Yo! Somebody get home.
Oh yeah, so I'm going mute, yep.
Yep.
That is on me. That is correct.
Yo, why am I hearing two versions of myself?
Why am I hearing two versions of myself?
Yo, champ! Alright, I'm finna play some audio.
So why am I hearing two versions?
Oh my god.
Yo, that's no, like if someone's watching the stream, like if like for the two people who are watching the stream, like right now, and if I play this in the mic, this is exactly what they're gonna hear. Oh shit, wait, it's a hollow chain knife. Oh shit, wait, get me in there.
Bishop, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm done. No, I'm done. No, everybody get kicked, bro. Bishop's selling us, bro. Like, bro, I'm trying to play, bro. I'm not trying to, bro. This is taking too long, bro.
Oh, turn that off. Oh,
Bro, freaking SCP intercom.
People watching the stream. We making it big with this.
yo, I heard Michael back.
That is on me. That is correct.